morning. I have the pleasure to welcome you all to the opening ceremony of a 5-day training on administrative investigation organized by the Mauritius Revenue Authority in collaboration with the WCO and the WCO Anti-Corruption and Integrity Promotion Program. This training endeavor marks a significant milestone in our commitment to capacity building and strengthening collaboration amongst custom authorities in Africa. As we gather here today, we are not just embarking on a journey of knowledge and skill enhancement, but we are also fostering connections and partnerships that will drive progress and development in our respective countries. The significance of administrative investigation in the field of customs should be given due importance. It's an essential tool in ensuring compliance, preventing illicit activities, and safeguarding our nation's economic interests. By conducting effective administrative investigations, we can identify irregularities, combat fraud, and ultimately contribute to the growth and stability of our economies. The MRA has been at the forefront of developing expertise in this critical area, and we are proud to share our knowledge and expertise with our colleagues from other customs authorities. Over the next 5 days, you will have the opportunity to learn from experts, engage in practical exercises, and gain insights into best practices that can be tailored to the unique challenges faced by your organizations in our respective country. Ladies and gentlemen, this workshop represents a commitment to regional cooperation and collaboration. It is a platform for networking and sharing experiences, which will undoubtedly lead to stronger ties among our customs authorities. The challenges we face, such as trade facilitation, revenue protection, and combating illicit trade, are often shared among us. Therefore, the bonds forged here will extend beyond our interaction during this workshop and will serve as a foundation for future cooperation. Ladies and gentlemen, customs and revenue authorities play an indispensable role in the economic development of any nation. We are entrusted with the vital task of revenue collection, which serves as the financial backbone of government operations. The revenue we collect funds essential public services, infrastructure, and social programs that uplift the lives of our citizens. Our responsibilities extend far beyond mere revenue collection. We are guardians of fiscal integrity, ensuring that individuals and businesses meet their tax obligations fairly and transparently. We need to promote good governance, uphold the values of accountability, justice, and ethical conduct, so as to enable economic growth and fostering a business environment where honest enterprises can thrive. Ladies and gentlemen, today I stand before you to reaffirm our commitment to conducting value-based investigations within our revenue administration. We recognize that investigations are not just about numbers, they are about upholding the values that define our nation in terms of fairness, justice, and honesty. Through value-based investigations, we aim to ensure that businesses can operate with confidence, knowing that dishonest practices will not go unchecked. By strengthening our investigative capabilities, we will also enhance our standing in international partnerships and collaborations. Our nation aspires to be a trusted international partner, attracting foreign investment and facilitating international trade. An unwavering commitment to value-based investigations will contribute significantly to our credibility in the eyes of the global community. Ladies and gentlemen, investigations in the workplace environment are not merely a part of our duties, they are reflection of our dedication to the well-being of our citizens. Investigations are the cornerstone of our commitment to good governance. I am confident that this workshop will be a resounding success. I am eager to witness the meaningful discussions, knowledge sharing, and collaboration that will undoubtedly emerge over the next 5 days. Let us harness the power of this gathering to equip ourselves with the tools needed to overcome the challenges before us. I extend my best wishes to all the participants, facilitators, and organizers for a productive and enriching workshop. Together, we can strengthen our customs and revenue systems and build a brighter future for our nations. I wish you all a productive and fruitful week of learning, collaboration, and networking. May the friendship and partnership formed here lead to greater achievements and a brighter future for custom administrations in Africa. I look forward to witnessing a sustained growth of our respective country to a high standard of integrity and good governance. I thank you for your kind attention.